What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's February 17th. It's about 40 degrees outside. It's a little chilly, but we're headed to downtown Seattle today. Gonna sync up with some buddies and swing by some of my favorite places in Seattle. What up? Man, what a beautiful day today, guys. No, I didn't get that. Do it again. Alright, bike feature, $11.99. Is that 200 horses or what?
Oh, something like that.
About 200. Gerald's DUCATI picked this up, I think December of last year. It's got some really nice levers, Rizomos, super courses. Got the, how do I say that? Termignoni? How do I say it? I don't even know how to pronounce that. Termig. I can't say that. All I know is that it's like on these things, like these are really expensive exhausts.
These are like the top of the line.
Look at this. He's got Rizomo everything. So Rizomo brake fluid, Rizomo clutch. Wow. Look at all this gold. Yeah, this is $11.99. This is like, this thing feels really flickable. You can just toss it like left and right, which I really like about that. R1M. Yeah, we're headed down to Lake Washington here. Man, some of the real estate up here is absolutely gorgeous. The homes here aren't all cookie cutter, but some of the architecture designs here, guys, are amazing, out of this world. Like, you got that beautiful Tudor style home with the brick. Beautiful. You got a little mix of modern, just large bay windows that look out to the water. Not a bad view at all. You got shots of downtown Seattle. That might even be Bellevue. I think we're in Madrona. I recognize that restaurant. So it's a very bougie part of Seattle, right off the water. A lot of water sports go on around here. Oh man, check out this home, guys. It's absolutely stunning. Check out that roof. I'm gonna take you guys to some of my favorite spots here in Seattle. So we got Bellevue City skyline, Lake Washington. Beautiful view. Uh-huh.
That's the house.
Oh, right there?
The one that has a bench with the flowers?
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, nice. So Kurt Cobain lives here. Alright guys, we're pulling up at Chinatown. I used to live here for 4 years. Alright guys, just got to Hello M. A couple of the guys showed up without bikes, but it's all good. It was raining, so they didn't feel like getting the bikes out in the rain. Lined up here. Man, it's kind of sketch parking on a hill with these bikes. Well, we're headed to Hello M. We're gonna grab some drinks.
They actually know me there, right? Yeah. Oh, you good to laugh at their magic? That's all the good coffee they have. There you go.
Oh,
That's
pupper.
Toto.
Hey, Toto.
Winter dog.
Oh, nice. Hey, pupper. What's another dog? Hey, pupper. Oh, hey buddy. Hi. You're so handsome. How'd you get it up here? How'd you get that Harley up here?
Yeah, we pick it up. We pick it up and go through the stair, bro.
Damn!
Pretty light, I'm pretty
Look at
good.
that.
No, try sit on it. It's pretty heavy.
It's pretty clean.
Yeah. It's awesome.
I like it. It's got like a cafe vintage racer vibe. Alright guys, we're leaving Hello M. Maybe sync up with another buddy over at DAINESE in Seattle. Just do a quick appreciation shot of the 10R real quick. Next to the $11.99. Doesn't get much better than that. Thanks, brother. This is a nice Corvette. Nice. Nice. Oh, there's the guy! What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. These are the pistas. I told you, right? So I came here for these gloves, guys. These are the full metals in white. I came for these.
I guess this fits me well.
Originally I was going to come for a small, but they have the medium, and the medium actually fits really well, so I think we're going with these guys. So I came here for these gloves because I got my Mugello RR. You guys have seen my tracksuit before, so these match the tracksuit, so I'm going to rock these next track season. Because, you know, I've been running with the short gloves all last track season. I was just wearing the tiny Alpine Star gloves. So I'm like, I need to step up my glove game. Alright guys, we're leaving DAINESE Seattle, headed to Cakes of Paradise, the next stop. We got this, check out this BMW adventure bike, that's sweet. What is that, R12, GS 1200? We got a nice H2, this thing's a beast.
You know what he did?
$8.99. We're leaving DAINESE here in Seattle. Just picked up my new full metals. A lot of flexibility with these gloves. They just feel killer. So I love these gloves. Alright guys, just made it to Cakes of Paradise here in Georgetown, Seattle. Gonna go pick up some cakes and then I gotta head out. Got all the bikes lined up. Look at the paint job on this $8.99. It's just so glossy. Clean. I've seen them.
Hey, guess what? You want to go?
Ride safe. Alright, we'll do. Alright man, take it easy. Ride safe. I'll follow you, sir. I'll follow you. Alright. Seattle Police.